videos for VC house renovations and painting. What you're looking at right now is called the heat map. And when someone does a search for, painting in a particular area, it shows where your map listing is ranking, right? So if I search for a painter and these are going to be the top three businesses in the map listings, these guys are paying for ads because they know the value of being on page one. But these top three businesses get 80% of the phone calls. What that means is people are searching, they're seeing them first. Not particularly these people, but any search. It doesn't matter if it's a foot doctor, right? Mainly whoever appears in these top three map listings, they're getting the first call. So when we run your heat map or your GMB map listing through our heat map tool, it just shows, where you are and where you're not being displayed. So outside of 820, right? You're the 10th person or the 10th business, which means they have to go through nine businesses. You got nine businesses on top of you before they even find you. And then they might give you a call, right? So, you're missing out on a lot of calls and a lot of sales and a lot of money. So let's hit 2021 strong and, contact me for more info. I'm going to get you right.